It's the end of summer season and the beginning of rainy season. It was difficult to make outdoor videos during the summer heat. Well, my favorite season has arrived and we're back to our outdoor activities. Let's see which bird we can spot today in the wetlands of Jharkhand. I can hear a lot of chirping of birds, and so I'm very excited. Let's move! See there, we found a bird. I think it's an eagle, but it's not a common eagle. It's a rare golden eagle. Let me bring my camera. What is this bird doing in Jharkhand? The golden eagle is normally found in the Himalayan region. This is one of the best known birds of prey in the northern hemisphere. Just look how proudly it's sitting in the fields. There are more than 50 species of eagles across the world and are represented as symbols of peace and freedom. They can fly up to 15,000 feet high in the sky, and their eyesight is 8 times more powerful than humans. They can look up to 3 kilometers away and are considered to be one of the largest birds on earth. Look how majestic and raw they are, even while resting. The grip of an eagle is 10 times more powerful than humans. These birds prepare their nests mostly on the top of high cliffs. The festival, Save the Eagle Day, is celebrated on 10th January. This rare eagle was spotted around 15 kilometers away from Ranchi.